guys, Ivan here, and this is the all-new 2022 Porsche 911 GT3, and this is the 992 version of the GT3. So here in this video I want to show you the beautiful GT3 all-new model and also this very nice spec. Alright guys, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about the new GT3 911 992. So here we are looking at white solid paint with some gold and neodyme details and also carbon fiber and black. So here, as you can see, the front of the vehicle is really much sharper than the previous iteration of the 911. Also the air intakes and the whole front part of the vehicle is in matte plastic, and if you damage it then it's much easier and less expensive to replace, so this is very nice. Also the lower lip is from this more or less least expensive material. So the Porsche has here these really nice headlights. So these are the Porsche Dynamic Light System PD-LS. Very nice and really great technology. The fuel cap is on the front fender with Porsche, and these are the GT3 911 wheels in special coating. So this is neodyme. You can see here the tire size, 20 inch at the front and 21 at the rear. We have also the center hub lock and black calipers for the brakes, Goodyear tires for this particular car. So neodyme is similar to like a gold shade. So when we open the fuel cap, we can see that the minimum is 98 octane for this vehicle. And at the lower part of the front doors we have the GT3 logo in gold. These are the stickers. Alright, so the GT3 here with the Club Sport package, it continues with these gold theme stickers over the front bonnet, also the roof, and it continues towards the rear wing, which is now the swan neck. So it's mounted from the top, and also we have a roll cage from the interior, which we can check out later. So let me know how do you like this design. We have also clear darkened rear tail lamps and this one light bar, also 6 fins for the rear diffuser and center exhaust with 2 pipes, and very interesting design. I really like how this car looks, really sharp and angular from the rear. So this car has a 4.0 liter, as you can see here, and this is horizontally opposed 6-cylinder, so-called boxer engine, naturally aspirated, so no turbocharger, and this engine develops 375 kilowatts, that's 510 horsepower, 470 newton meters, and the rear wing here, as you can see, is adjustable angle of attack of the rear wing. So this car can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour with PDK transmission in only 3.4 seconds, and the top speed with PDK is 198 miles per hour. That's 317 kilometers per hour, so plenty of speed. But for the top speed, the Turbo S would be a better choice. This is more track-oriented vehicle, definitely. Look how large how the 911 is, the modern version 992. Really huge vehicle, definitely, but in general terms it's not that huge. But in comparison with older, it's much larger than previously. So let me know how do you like this design. I think it's really gorgeous, and yeah, this is my favorite 911 in terms of the design, definitely. So here, if we open the doors, we can check out, you can see the Porsche logo. It's part of the light interior package. Race tag with leather and carbon fiber interior package. Door handle, take a look, it's only plastic, not nothing else. And also race tag, which is like Alcantara. So yeah, you can see that this car is not aimed for the luxury. Also the key fob, it's plain. I believe it can be painted on the sides for the color of the vehicle. So if you check out the interior, you can see it's like a mix of the modern technology, but still this classic design, which I really like personally. So here you can see the GT3 logo in carbon fiber. If you enter the vehicle, we have also here the bucket seats from carbon fiber. This is an expensive option, but I think it fits the 911, the GT3 really well. And silver gray seat belts. Really nice combination, definitely. So the bucket seats, you can see here the mounting points and some adjustable button. And this racetrack-like material, Alcantara, very nice. And here you can see some green ambient lighting, which we'll check out a little bit later. Also the roll cage in the rear in high gloss black, and here is the close-up of the seats. You can also get the comfort seats, but these will be better for the racetrack or some mountain passes, definitely. So this would be probably a weekend car which you will enjoy occasionally, so I think it's well worth to have a proper bucket seats for yeah, this car can pull a lot of G's in the corners. Also the glove compartment here, so yeah, pretty much is like a modern race car for the road, but still with some comfort features. So if you go on the motorway, it still will be not unpleasant, we can say. Yeah, so really great job with doing this. Also here you can see the Bose sound system, so it even has the sound system, which some race cars don't even have, and also the like AC and other comfort features. So yeah, really great job. So now we can check out the interior. You can see here the carbon fiber, a lot of materials and shades and colors, and really looks amazing. Also, as you can see here, this PDK transmission gear lever is looking like a manual, so a really great design as well for the enthusiasts. And the completely new infotainment system here, also now in the GT3. We have a lot of functions here, but still a lot of analog buttons for the lift system, suspension and hazard light, ESC, off, and yeah, just the most used buttons here are in analog. You can also control the AC with these buttons, and yeah, it looks really great. The piano black like high gloss black material in the middle, and this is the gear lever, as you can see here. Also possible to use the pedal shifters, but also you can shift with the gear itself. It's wrapped in the leather, so really great. So now we can check out a little bit of the infotainment system. This car also has the sport chrono, and you can adjust here the character of the vehicle. You can have a normal mode, sport mode, and then the track mode. And also you have this knob on the steering wheel, which is changing these modes. For the sport exhaust system, you can turn it off or on to be more loud or more silent. You can change the chassis, the suspension, and yeah, many informations. And the graphics are now much more improved than on the previous generation. Obviously this is similar than other Porsche models, and it's now in the GT3. So here we can check out, we have cold white, ambient light color, looks like this. Then we have warm white, which is like a light orange, we can say. Then is the dark orange, which is yeah, like a dark orange, much more saturated. Then it's poppy red, this is like a very saturated red. Then we have topaz blue, which is yeah, all of these colors are saturated pretty much. Then Atlantis, this is like a turquoise or light blue. And also other, as you can see, I'm changing it now, so you can see other shades as well. So you have a few options, not that many, but this is more like aimed as a race car and a little bit of the comfort features. Here, as you can see, also in the doors. So yeah, it's like a really brutal car, but a little bit of the comfort as well. So yeah, in the middle we can find the ref counter with GT3 logo. Here in this case is in silver, and overall design is really nice. The steering wheel here is wrapped in leather with silver stitching, and as you can see here, the speedometer is on the left, time, temperature, and yeah, really nice that the ref counter is in the middle, some settings, and then you have fuel tank and temperatures. So on the left side here you have lights, you can start the car, and you can open the trunks and boot, and Porsche logo on the armrest in the middle. Also, yeah, this is not possible to move, so only static. And on the top you have some lights, and really nice layout, definitely the stopwatch. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Let me know what you think about this new Porsche GT3 911 992. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.